This piece adds some sleek detail to your aircraft. This is piece number 4229, the Drake engine aircraft piece. Yeah. It's available in 6 colors, and the rarest color happens to be yellow. It's only available in like 2 sets. This is from something that I had never heard of called Time Twisters. So this is Time Twisters or Time Cruisers. It is set number 6494. This is kind of the more impressive one. It kind of reminds me of Dreams a little bit, but you can see it is yellow right here underneath this boat, for instance. Mahalo for watching, friends.